To appear on behalf of the petitioner, my lord. This is another matter connected with the Arjikor incident, my lord. Before your lordship unlisted on the day the matter had been taken up in a cluster, or the matters had been taken up in a cluster. Here, the petitioner is a practicing advocate of this honorable court.
But
and
I think, sir, all the prayers
so
sought for have
court is
already been
concerned,
granted.
one of the prayer has already been granted so far as the posting of the central forces to protect the area, that has already been granted. But the petitioner is principally agreed with some abominable posts. Those are circulating in social media. My lord, these are perfidious.
No, there also, in fact, we made an appeal in our order dated 20th of August 2024.
My lord, indeed, my lord was kind enough to pass an order to that effect, my lord. But the thing is, but the thing is, despite your lordship's order, so far as the local police is concerned, they are not taking adequate steps. Maybe they are not appropriately equipped with the requisite technicalities and whatsoever needed.
See, the thing is, there are several people who post videos in the YouTube.
My lord.
How will the state be regulating that? Is there any mechanism? Suppose a video is uploaded, then you can ask them to take the footage out.
My lord, with my humble understanding, my lord, I've used the word perfidious with a specific intent. If the lordship will kindly see, my lord, there is a specific set of names. Those are being used to post these photographs along with the abominable comments on thereupon. My lord will kindly see the kind of abominable comments. Lordship, this, if would be allowed to go unchecked, then this might even affect the social fabric of the state, my lord. Because a specific community is named. They may or may not be real persons.
No. What specific community is named means? I'm not able to understand.
My lord, I beg to be lucid on this, my lord. Only Muslim names are used for the handlers who are making these abominable remarks and comments on the photograph of the deceased victim. They may or may not be real persons, my lord. I'm apprehensive on that part.
No, page 16.
Page 17, my lord. I specifically come to page 17, my lord.
So, Mehetab is the person who has posted this message, correct?
My lord.
And what does it say?
I believe, my lord, this is such an abominable content that I don't know whether I can read it out in open court.
Leonard, Additional Solicitor General is here. Sir, in this, the Joint Director CBI has also been implemented as a party. Since now CBI has taken over the entire investigation, can something be done to block these sorts of messages? Because the very nasty comment has been given as a heading with the photograph of the victim.
Yes. No, this is.
We will do one thing, sir. We will ask the learned advocate to serve copies in your office.
Yes.
And then you please ask your officers to examine.
Yes.
And we will list the matter along with the batch.
I'm grateful.
And we have listed that on
18th.
Yesterday's matter, 18th we have listed, no?
18th. Fine.
We have heard the learned advocate appearing for the petitioner in this public interest late petition.
I don't know what
there are several prayers in the writ petition, of which prayer B has already been satisfied in the light of the directions issued by the Honorable Supreme Court. Equally so is the direction prayer C with regard to which also relates to deployment of adequate central forces to protect the hospital and the premises. Prayer D has also been complied with since CBI has taken over the investigation. Prayer E is relatable to prayer B and C, and therefore the same will be adequately monitored. Therefore, the movement of persons, etc., will be adequately monitored by the agency which is in charge of the safety and security of the doctors and other persons in the hospital. But this prayer is not there, sir.
My lord, I'll just see. Prayer.
At least in the pleadings have you stated?
My lord, the prayer D.
Prayer?
Prayer D, my lord. CBI is in connection with the investigation on cyber offences being perpetrated in connection with Arjikor incident with a further direction upon the competent officials of CBI to take charge of the investigation, my lord.
Prayer C.
Prayer D, my lord.
And okay. There is one more limb.
He hasn't.
One more limb of the prayer in prayer D, where the petitioner seeks for a direction upon the CBI to investigate into the angle of cyber offences being perpetrated in connection with the incident, in connection with the unfortunate and brutal incident which had occurred. Photographs, I mean, along with the writ petition, in an annexure P1, certain photographs which are said to be messages posted in the social media have been annexed, which prima facie shows that the wordings adopted therein is far from being acceptable to any member of the society. Therefore, we direct the seventh respondent, namely the Joint Director, CBI, Kolkata, who's now taken over the investigation of the case, to look into the grievance expressed by the petitioner only with regard to this issue, as all other issues in the writ petition stand satisfied in the light of the orders passed by the Honorable Supreme Court. In this regard, a report may be filed by the seventh respondent or any other officer who has been empowered to file an affidavit on behalf of the CBI. Let this matter be let the matter be tagged along with the batch of cases on 18th September.
Copy of the present petition be sharpened by
now itself you give.
I'll serve it within the course of the day, my lord.
All right.
One submission I have to make.
Yes.
I had the occasion to talk to the top CBI officials as regards the cyber crime. In the recent past, the photograph of the learned Attorney General of India was displayed in the different WhatsApp groups, and it's a fake. This is a fake and fraud. It has also come into my WhatsApp group. I talked to the CBI that whether any step can be taken against this fraud cyber crimes. Now the CBI is of the view they have no separate wing now as of now to investigate about the cyber crimes. There's a separate group of this also being monitored by the state of West Bengal. So kindly direct also the state of West Bengal cyber crime branch to file a report.
No, sir. The investigation is with CBI.
Yes, that is being done by CBI.
No. CBI can direct the cyber wing to look into the matter.
Yes, kindly record that.
No, not today. When it comes on 18th.
On 18th.
On 18th, we'll do that.
Very good.
The learned advocate for the petitioner is directed to serve copy of the writ petition along with the annexures in the office of the learned additional solicitor general during the course of the day.
The evidence service